There are three key aspects to building operations: technical, mechanical, and human. The people who use and operate buildings play a significant role in energy consumption, and they can either have a positive or negative impact on it. To improve building energy efficiency, the Canadian Institute for Energy Training, CIET, has developed the Energy Efficiency for Building Operators and Maintenance Staff, EEBO program. This hands-on course empowers building operators and staff to become energy-efficient experts and gives them the tools necessary to optimize and reduce energy costs. A unique feature of the EEBO course is the Energy Hunt, whereby participants examine a building's day-to-day operations and learn how to present their findings and recommendations. Let's look at an example of an energy hunt. The fictional Maple University campus is a 164,000 square foot building that requires spending thousands of dollars on energy each year. Having decided to reduce costs and adopt a more sustainable approach, the management team at Maple University planned an energy hunt with CIET. The energy hunt was focused around three levels of operational savings: steam production, water cooling, electricity consumption. After a thorough analysis of the building, systems, and possible reduction opportunities, CIET compiled a list of recommended actions for operational savings. These include 1. Reviewing system operating schedules to accommodate for changes in building occupancy. 2. Fostering an energy conservation culture in the building. 3. Implementing energy conservation strategies throughout the building portfolio. During the course, building operators will be asked to formulate their own recommendations and present them to the team. We will give them all the tools to succeed. The EEBO program offers a range of benefits, including a better understanding of building energy consumption and the ability to identify opportunities for reducing operational costs. Participants also develop skills in ventilation system optimization and cost reduction calculations. At CIET, we believe that people are at the center of everything, and by empowering the operators and staff in your building, they can make a positive impact on energy consumption. For more information on the EEBO course, visit cietcanada.com or write to us at info@cietcanada.com.